Hey everybody, it's me, Mark, and I'm here with my daughter,
Zoe. And today I'm going to be showing my dad how to make a duct tape squishy. It is really easy and very fun. Very simple too. So, all you will need is duct tape. As you can see here. Duct tape. Then you will also be needing 2 plastic bags. And you would be needing 1 toothpick. I don't know if you can see very well, but it's a toothpick. Okay.
And that's all we need?
So, yeah. So let's get started. So you take your plastic bag.
I'll use this one.
Then you fold it into what shape you want, but I would choose a circle to start with because it's very easy. As you can see, I made this purple one. I made it yesterday, actually, and it is very squishy, very slow rising, as you can see. And then I've got another one that I made today. It's also slow rising and very squishy.
So you push it into a sphere, like a ball?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a ball first.
Oh, okay.
Then, take your other plastic bag. You put it in. It doesn't matter what color it is. And then, you just kind of roll it around it. And it won't look perfect or good. Well, it might look good, but it doesn't have to look perfect. See mine. This one and this one did not turn out perfect, but that's fine. So right now I'm going to have my dad hold the ends for me, please, when I get my duct tape. So I'm going to peel it off. I rip it off.
Okay, good rip. And then I hold this here.
Put
it on that little spot. Hold that tight. Ooh, that's going to be a nice one right there. Okay, now you hold my plastic bag, squishy innard. I rip my duct tape back, and then I put it on there.
Okay, so we're just going to be putting these on. So, you can also get scissors if yours gets
that. Yeah, that's a mess. Cut it. You take the scissors right up to the camera and cut it.
Mess.
If you want.
Mess. So this is how big mine is so far. It's not very big, as you can see. Got this here. And we'll see you guys when we're done. Okay, so now that we are finished, I'll show you the finished products here. Finished products. Focus on this only. Focus. Okay, I don't know why the camera is not really focusing. Here we go.
Maybe bring it back a
This
little
is my
bit.
dad's.
Yeah. It's too close.
This is mine.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Then you take your toothpick.
Okay.
Take your toothpick. You poke 3 or 4 holes around. Then this is my finished. This is my finished product. I think I'm really happy with mine. It's not as good as my other ones, but yeah, it's the baby of the family. Then this is his.
Yeah.
I like his.
Yeah.
Remember to like and subscribe to this channel and comment down below whose is better. And then, see you guys in our next video. Bye!